In part 3 I will create texturing and rendering. Let's go! I import the low polys and the baked textures. Quick tip: watch out if the normal map is OpenGL or DirectX. Now plug the baked maps accordingly. I'm switching the shader to Alpha Blend to add an opacity channel. This will be helpful for the eye lenses, and later I will make a transition from the hair base to a textured buzz cut. You will see it later. I'm using textures from the previous project to stay consistent and save time. You can find my video at my channel. Hopefully I will link that stuff for you here. I'm going through every layer to see what they are doing and adjust it to my current project. And that's why straight and same direction UVs are so awesome. Look how the noise texture flows. Hell yeah! For a coloring, I will just use a hue, saturation, lightness filter. I'm using the previous render setup, and find it in my previous video too. I want to set up the render before I texture more. I will rely on the end result of the render on how my textures look. So I'm importing and checking a lot how the textures look in the final engine. Well, not really final engine, but Mamo said the game will run in Unity. But the texture setup is the same. I'm using the Unity export setup because the game will be in Unity. Organizing the meshes and materials to have a good overview. I find this part of my process a bit chaotic, especially for viewers, because I jump between multiple softwares. I don't want to edit this part out though, because this is my process and I hope you find something that helps you out. I really like how the colors for the orange hair turned out. I'm asking ChatGPT what material the glasses are made of. This is so useful for specific questions. Googling will take way longer, sadly. The glass material needs shader work though, so for now I just use texture for the effect. Finally, I can add the rest of the hair and make a sick fade. I'm struggling a bit with the buzz cut fade. Not sure how to connect the side stripes to the fade. Reference time. I'm adjusting the lips and the low poly to get more accurate with the concept. The head is all the same, but with some tweaks it can look a whole lot different. And filling up the bald spots. Using head 1's hair for head 3 with some tweaks. I'm importing the rest of the body, because I realized the arms need the same colors too. Using alpha on the bottom of the hair to make the transition of the fade better. And nudging the mesh a bit inside. I'm super impressed how it turned out actually. Texturing is done, time to make my file send ready. My client wants a Photoshop file with all the maps. It helps them out if they want to adjust something themselves. And sending an invoice letter too, so I can buy some bread. And now for the final wrap up, the ArtStation post. I want to try to improve my render. First I'm adding rim lights to pop the character out of the background. A fill light to contrast the upcoming key light, which is the main light. To make my hair pop even more out, I'm adding a top light. I'm kinda tired of the backgrounds. Let's see what color fits the vibe now. Okay, now let's render them all out. The thumbnail shouldn't be too generic or people won't see my post. And now the technical breakdown, taking a bit more time to make it a pleasurable experience looking at it. A bit of video editing to improve my presentation. And now putting everything to ArtStation and checking if everything is fine. Like 1000 times. And that's it. This is my whole process from start to finish. Like, sub, bye!